Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. Today we are making escargot. I bet you don't see that a lot of places on YouTube. Boom! Maybe we're an originator!
This is real. I was about to try to do an animal sign for a snail, but I realized it's
like this or something? No.
Where's the microphone?
You're not gonna make that.
Damn!
But can you do
Bravo.
it twice?
Bravo. No, I can't. I don't even want to try.
Try it! We have taken a little break because of family things. And so we want to thank you for being patient and for continuing to watch and subscribe. And we love you guys.
Yep. All true.
All true things.
I'm not used to being over here.
As you can tell in Cullen's quiche episode. You are better directed from that side.
I am. I'm a lot better from that side for a lot of reasons.
No, only one.
So what's first?
Oh God, don't. Okay. So escargot is really traditional in my family. My grandmother was French, and so this episode is really kind of for her. She's the one who taught me how to cook, so without her, none of this would be possible, and I owe her a lot of who I am today. So, we always did escargot on the holidays, so it's really simple, it's super fast, and it's delicious, and, you know, you can get your friends to eat snails, which is always really fun.
Snail shells. Snail shells is what you're looking for.
You always say shells after you say snail shells.
Snail shells?
How many of these do you have?
Parsley. Grown in our garden. This is already from this year. It's like...
That's not even all of it.
It's June.
Butter. Snails. Parsley, garlic, breadcrumbs. Drop it low, girl. Drop it low, girl. Is that how you drop it low? You just look like a little kid set that for a poop. The butter we want to be somewhat softened, but it doesn't have to be all the way. We're going to put it in the food processor with the parsley and the garlic. And since our butter is salted, we don't really need to add salt. And we're going to make some breadcrumbs and then throw that in there with everything. Put it on top of the snails. Put it in the oven. Eat it.
Easy.
Peasy.
Mac and cheesy. Easy peasy snails and sleazy.
That's appetizing.
So, what do we need to do?
I
Are
just
we...
said.
Oh, I know. I know what to do.
You don't usually respond that way.
So what do? I just put the butter in here?
Yeah, I would break it up, actually, just to make it easier to blend.
Like this, break it up, or
Like 6 pieces.
Shoot! We forgot about the breadcrumbs.
Forgot about the breadcrumbs.
We forgot about the breadcrumbs.
No.
So we cut up one of our baguettes, and we baked it.
Oh no, you want a lot more room than that.
I realized that. No, I got you. We turned that into bread powder. I don't know if it's supposed to be that. That's bread flour now.
But line up.
We put it right back to where it started.
Full circle bread.
Bread powder.
In the butter. Oh no, you're gonna be doing things, so.
I know.
Okay.
I know.
You're over here like Vanna White.
Okay, so in the butter,
What do you think?
we're gonna put the parsley, garlic, and then breadcrumbs after the parsley and garlic has gone in.
After it's been,
Pure, all gotten mixed up in there. Whatever that term would be. Processed. It's a food processor, so after it's all processed.
boom, did it.
Boom.
Hey, it's not. Colin, stop trying to.
Garlic. Not breadcrumbs yet, everybody.
What the fuck?
I got it.
So, pulse. So one way to make this easier if you're having trouble with blending is just to wait longer for it to soften.
Okay, so this was just butter, parsley, garlic, and breadcrumbs.
That's it.
This is pretty cool.
So if you're a beginner snail eater, you probably want to cut them in half because they're pretty large. But they really just taste like shrimp or clams or mussels.
Yeah, mussels are clams more than shrimp. Maybe the texture of shrimp.
Yes, yeah. But they're really good. Like, give them a chance. Go crazy. Try something new. Yes.
How do I do
I
this? This is weird.
So
Does it not really matter?
it does matter. It does matter. Cut it down the middle of the foot.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I've had escargot a lot at this
4 or
point.
5 times.
Yeah.
I've shielded you from this part because you've had them so many times.
I've never had to do this part for sure. Like 2 or 3 in, I'm gonna just get it lined up, slice, and stop looking at that point. So hopefully I don't cut anything off.
Please don't do that.
We preheat the oven to
350.
Tree fitty.
350!
Yeah.
Backwards. These snails are starved and then fed a diet of lettuce to clear their stomachs out, and then they're cooked. And these guys have like a nice little marinade in them, which is why I like this brand.
I gotta say, y'all totally changes the game when you
Are preparing them. Now we're going to stuff the escargot with the butter.
Butter in the stuff.
So you're just gonna take some on your spoon.
Okay.
And drag it across the top, and then just even it out. You're just making it worse.
What do you? Oh, fuck.
What do you? Oh, fuck. Included on the side, so it'll be fun. Theme music for that part of the transition. What you didn't see is that we were making some things for salad because we like to eat other things along with our mains.
Christian was.
Yeah, I was preparing these things. Anyway, so we're going to throw our escargot in the oven now. Leave it in there for 10 minutes so it gets a nice brown crisp on top. And then we're going to eat them. And they're delicious. Always gives me compliments when he doesn't want to do it.
You're just so good at what you do. I don't need to help you. What?
We lost a snail.
He straight up popped out.
2.
2.
We lost snails.
And
So if your snails start popping like popcorn, you've gone too far.
We'll let those cool a little bit, and then we'll start eating them. On guard.
God. Whoa.
Hey now. You just dropped all of this stuff.
Yeah.
So obviously Cullen is content with our escargot. Ooh, yeah, get it, babe. See? Do you notice how you forget all about how you made them?
I want to talk about that.
So they're super good. This is very fast and easy to do, and I hope that you try it out and let me know how you did or how you liked them. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking the show. Thanks for sharing it with your friends, and thanks for subscribing and keeping us going. We'll see you next time.
Thank y'all.